going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com, coming to you live on 11/5/2021. I'm doing our 2021 Panini Certified Football Choose Team 4-box break number 13. 11, 12, 13, and 14 are 4 boxes out of the same 16-box case. All right, who's got who? Matthew H. has the Cardinals, and Greg M. has the Falcons. Rick A. has the Ravens, and Gabe B. has the Bills. Kevin H. with his Panthers, and Marcus F. has the Bears. Frank J. with the Bengals, and Rick A. with the Browns. We got Travis S. with the Cowboys, and William D. has the Broncos. Rick A. has the Lions. Brian K. has the Packers. Gabe B. with the Texans, and Frank J. with the Colts. Matt R. with the Jags. Frank J. with the Chefs. Rick A. with the Raiders. Frank J. has the Chargers. Rick A. has the Rams. Frank J. has the Dolphins. Travis with the Vikings. We got Wayne M. with the Patriots. Mike T. has the Saints. We've got Travis with the Giants. Rick A. last spot Karma and the Jets. Greg M. with the Eagles. Robert P. with the Steelers. Wayne M. with the 49ers. Matt R. has the Seahawks. Frank J. has the Buccaneers. Rick A. has the Titans. And Mark C. has the Washington football team. I'm hanging in there, Tony. Hanging in, buddy. All right, here we go. So this will finish our certified football. So what I did is I quartered the boxes. The boxes come top to bottom with 4, 4, 4. So this is like a straight down cross section. Or the cases, I should say. So we're looking for 2 autos and 2 memorabilias per box. So you're talking 16 hits in 4 boxes. Pretty good. I'm going to sleeve up any numbered cards, all in case anything 50 or below, relic or auto, as those are hits. If you don't get one of those, you will get a pack of cards. Let's not get any points cards, please. That would be awesome. And let's see a monster or 2. But yeah, we could definitely do those elements. We could definitely do, or the element, we could definitely do the gold standard, guys. And if you haven't used the big coupon code we sent, check your email from yesterday. And then Kev will jump on and hopefully get some, at least 1 or 2 archives going. Plus we have the personals, guys. Again, they sent me a Panini Prism Racing. It wasn't on our list. I open up the box, it's there, so if anybody is interested in that, I put it up as a personal. It wasn't on our pre-list. I would have had it up sooner. It ended up coming with Chronicles today. And the 1 quick pitch I got from the 1 distributor. So if you are into racing, Panini Prism Racing, it's $149 retail. We got it for $134. And it's got 4 autos in it. How are we doing tonight, guys? Friday night breaks. All right, give me 1 second. There's a doorbell just rang. I just want to make sure it's not UPS asking for a signature. are here. Did have to sign. So I'll be listing Chronicles breaks this week, I think. All right, here we go. Continuing on. Sorry about that. That's why I leave the camera running, so we can see there's no funny business here at SBB. Sterling in the house. What's going on? All right, there's box 2. Ooh, that's a thick pack right here. That's real thick. Hopefully that's our auto or a really, really good relic. Let's see if we keep that 101 going on here. Pulling 101s all over the place. Yeah, really thick kids reporter. Really thick points card. All right. There we go. Hopefully no more interruptions. Guys, let's close out Elements and Gold Standard. All right. Let me open up. Yep, so I can get a focus here. Box 1. Again, hits are autos, relics, cards 50 or below. And I'm going to sleeve up any numbered cards. All right. LaMichael Pirine and last spot Karma kicking in right away. Rick A picked up those Jets right out of the gate. Freshman fabric, 199 mirror red. Rick A and the Jets right out of the gate with that last spot Karma. There you go, buddy. Napkin patch with a little seam in it. All right, we got a gold to 25. Pete Werner for the Saints. Mike T and the Saints. That's a good one right there. All right, Stars, Stephon Diggs to 199. Amari Rogers to 299. Ayuk 2021. And, geez, those last spot Karma Jets. Rashard Perryman. 9 out of 10. Rashard Perryman. Very nice. 9 out of 10. Had it your way, Rick A. So 2 for 2 on the hits. All right. This guy's on fire this year. A little Colts action to 99. Michael Pittman Jr. Michael Pittman Jr. piece of the game. Headed to Indy. Frank J. Frank J getting that one. All right, we got 299 Baker Mayfield. I've got a blue to 75 Gold Team Dalvin Cook. We've got an orange here, 249 John Bates. Saquon showing up there, Dark Horses. 149 Des Fitzpatrick, DK Metcalf 2021, Baker. Should still have a relic left, I believe. There it is. All right. Cole Kmet, piece of the game. So 2 piece of the games in this box. Very nice box to 99. And that is Marcus F. Marcus F to 99, piece of the game. All right, box 2. Let's see what we can get over here. Dobbins to 299. How about a J.J. Watt seal of or T.J. Watt seal of approval to 75. Elijah Moore to 399. Russell Wilson, Kids Reporter. All right, 149 Carson Wentz, orange. Maybe that one I pulled before wasn't an orange. It was just the bronze, 249. All right, Devonta Smith. Come on, be an RPA. Just the relic, but still nice. 149, Roll Tide. Roll Tide on that one. Devonta Smith, Eagles. Who's got those Eagles? Greg M. Greg M. and the Eagles. All right, Anthony Schwartz is our relic auto to 299. Pink mirror 299, Anthony Schwartz. Rick A. and the Browns. Should still have an auto and a relic left. Devin White 2021. Bronze to 249. Yes, that's what these are. Not orange, Joseph Asoi. Asai is what I should have said there. DK Metcalf to 249. Gold Team Herbert. All right, we got something coming. Ooh, nice. Red, eBay 101. 25 out of 25. Jonathan Taylor. Jonathan Taylor, 25 out of 25. Frank J. Frank J. Getting that beauty. Congrats. So far our autos have been to 10 and to 25. Our whatever you want to call them, non-relic autos, non-RPAs. 249 Baker Mayfield, Rick A. Okay, I'm going to skip. This one had the thick one in it, so we'll go over to this box. Christian Barmore, Roll Tide to 149. To 149 Dalvin Cook Gold Team, going for the rainbow of that. Silver to 299 Des Fitzpatrick. 2021 Mac Jones. Allen Robinson to 249. Bronze. All right. Is this a Jamar Chase relic auto? Ooh, it's not, but it's still sweet relic to 25. Very nice. Jamar Chase to 25. Frank J. getting that one. Jamar Chase, 22 out of 25. New generation. He's ridiculous. Very nice patch right there. All right, I think this is going to be our relic auto. Yes, it is. RPA to 499. Freshman fabric. Cornell Powell. Frank J. getting that one with the chefs. All right, Jalen Hurts to 99. To 149, Asante Samuel Jr. 249, sorry, bronze. Chase Young, 2021. How about a Patrick Surtain auto to 149? Patrick Surtain for the Dolphins, old school. Frank J. and the Dolphins, very nice. right, and then, well, Cleveland's been killing it lately in these breaks. Myles Garrett to 249. Rick A. All right. Here we go. The last box. Mr. Johnson, piece of the game, Tyler Johnson to 249. Buccaneers, Frank J. So that's a good chance that that thick card could be our auto. Could be 249. Because there's one of our relics already out. Austin Eckler. There's a Trey Lance, 2021. All right, we got to 99, Deshaun Watson. Laviska Shenault Jr., piece of the game. Yeah, so that thick card is going to be an auto, guys. 12 out of 50, Laviska Shenault going to Matt R. and the Jags. That should be an auto. And we got a redemption. There's Tom Terrific. All right, put the redemption down there. Let's take a peek at what the redemption says. Freshman Fabric Mirror Signatures 207. Jamar Chase. Wow, nice. Bengals. I was just saying, you got that nice patch with the Bengals, Frank? And now you got a nice Jamar Chase RPA. Sweet. Sweet, sweet hit. All right. So that thick card is there. Let's see what we got. 249 D-Hop Stars. See a purplish coming. 199 Chuba Hubbard rookie. Orange 149 Cortland Sutton. 99 red Stars Deshaun Watson. And here we go with this thick card. Trevor Mooring. It's one of those rookie thick autos to 25. Trayvon Mooring, I should say. Trayvon Mooring for the Raiders. And who's got those Raiders? It is Rick A. Congrats, Rick. That's the 25. All right, guys, that'll do it. Thanks a lot for filling it up, and I'll get it shipped out in the next shipping batch.